In this video, we are going to look at the basic trig graphs, and this one is y equals cos x. Now, the things to note about cos x is it has max points at 0, 1, and 361, and it has a min point right in the middle at 180, minus 1, and it has x-intercepts at 90 degrees and at 270 degrees. Now, this cos curve goes on for infinity, and it repeats this sort of C shape here every 360. So it will keep on going to the right and keep on going to the left, always going between 1 on the y-axis down to -1 on the y-axis. This is the sine curve here. It has one minimum point between 0 and 316, that's at 270. It has one max point at 90 degrees, up there at 90 and 1 on the y-axis. It has three x-intercepts at 0, 180 and 360. And just like the cos curve, it repeats itself every 360 degrees. So while it's doing this up here, what you can't see is that it keeps going all the way between 1 and -1 on the y-axis, and likewise through the negative numbers. This is the graph of y equals tan x, which is quite different to the sin x and cos x curves. If we look at the red line, that's the graph of y equals tan x. It's going up, 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 and then gets steeper and steeper and steeper, and what we can't see, it keeps going up and up and up, but it never reaches the blue line. It doesn't have a value for x equals 90, and then at 90 plus 0.000000001, it's down here, very negative number, and then as you go along, we get less and less negative. We cross 180, that's an x-intercept, and then we repeat it. We're going all the way up. Again, we never reach the green line, we never reach x equals 270, and then at just something just slightly bigger than 270 we start very negative, and then we go up again. So this is quite a different curve. It does have x-intercepts like the ones we saw before, that's 0, 180, 360, but it doesn't have a min or a max point because it goes all the way down to negative infinity up to positive infinity. It repeats itself every 180 degrees. And lastly, the vertical green and blue lines are called asymptotes, and these are the points where the tan graph has no value, and that's at x equals 90 and x equals 270.